Hi guys, so today I am going to be building the Lego City Go-Kart Racer set. The set number is 30589. You could get it for $5, I'm pretty sure. So got 39 pieces. It's a simple little poly bag. So I'm going to build it with you guys, and let's get to it. Okay guys, I finished. So first of all, here's the little go-kart it came with. Pretty much the main thing of the set. Pretty small, it's about maybe an inch and a half maybe, if I'm correct. Here's the minifig it came with. And it also came with some cones. I really like the minifig shirt. As you can see, it has like maybe I don't know really, maybe a little gate or racing. And yeah, so if you're looking for a tiny little go-kart, say if you made a little go-kart for a theme park, yeah, you should definitely get a little bit of these. They're simple to make, take about maybe 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked my short for today, and see you in the next video. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye.